the big van. I think they must have made a mistake because I didn't order a long base van. But anyway, I wonder if I could get my second bike here. I don't know if I should have two bikes in, but this bike here now is simply lovely. Absolutely lovely. Carbon, I need to get carbon. So I've got one piece to get, and get that piece there as well. Once I get all the carbons on there, then I'll just probably just leave it there. I will get the original decor for the bike and stick that on.
Perfect song to wake you up on a Thursday morning. That's Camila Cabello, Never Be the Same on Kiss Breakfast.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's Thursday, 4th of October, and I am at Brands Hatch. This time I brought my lovely wife. This is the first time she's actually seen me on the motorbike on the track. She's watched most of my videos. She's a favourite fan of myself, but she's never ever visited me on the track itself. So that was great for her to come along as well. I think today, being October, is the last of the season of this year, and once again it's a wonderful day. I believe the temperature is going to rise up to about 21, 22. So I've got my carbons. Carbon, that's from different carbon. That's from Pro Fiber. And this is from Carbon Conquest, so it's got a mixture of carbons in. So this is why I bought the Aprilia RSP4. It still rides absolutely sensation. I have no regrets whatsoever. If I had the money, I would buy a bloody fleet of them. That's how great it is. another track day under my belt, and I am going home. So I tried to get the Aprilia app track to work on here, and apologies guys, but I managed to get the track layout working, but for some unknown reason I just couldn't get it working. It wasn't giving my lap times on there. It was a bit disappointing really, but yeah, my fastest lap time around here is 1 minute 10, which I could have done under a minute, but maybe next time, definitely next time. So that's my goal. My goal next time is to do it under a minute.